Dear student, in this video we can cover advantage and disadvantage of solid fuel, liquid fuels and gaseous fuels. So first of all, start with solid fuel. The main solid fuel are woods, different type of coal, charcoal and coke. In addition to these, some agriculture and industrial wastes like rice husk, coconut shell, nut shell are also used as a solid fuel. Then advantage of solid fuel. Solid fuel are relatively cheap and are easily available. Disadvantage of solid fuel. The main disadvantage is storage, handling and transportation of solid fuel, which is very difficult. Therefore, the liquefied and gaseous product derived from coal are manufactured near to the coal site. Solid fuel burns slowly and continuously require air while burning. The control of combustion process is difficult. After burning, ash is produced, hence there is a problem of ash disposal. Handling of the solid fuel needs labor. This cannot be used in internal combustion engines. Solid fuel have low thermal efficiency. So these are the disadvantages of the solid fuels. Then liquid fuel, petroleum product, tar and alcohol are some important liquid fuel. The largest source of liquid fuel is petroleum. Some liquid fuel are synthetically obtained from coal. The liquid fuel are used extensively in domestic and industrial field. Advantage of liquid fuel. Liquid fuel can be easily handled, stored and transported. They can be transported to far place through pipeline and require less storage space compared to the solid and gaseous fuel. After combustion, they are not leave any ash, hence there is no problem of ash disposal as in case of solid fuel. The control of combustion is very easy. This can be easily handled and combustion can be stopped at once. The supply of liquid fuel can be maintained through pipes and does not require manual feeding as in case of solid fuel, hence lesser cost is involved in using liquid fuels. Liquid fuels need lesser air supply for combustion than solid fuels. There is no danger of spontaneous combustion in case of storage. Combustion process is cleaner than that the case of the solid fuels. Then disadvantage of liquid fuels. Liquid fuel purges unpleasant odor, especially on incomplete combustion. They are most costlier than solid fuel. There is a danger of loss due to evaporation or leakage. In flammable and volatile liquid fuel pose a risk of hazard during operations. Liquid fuel needs special type of burner for efficient combustion and need careful supervision to avoid accident due to leakage, etc. So it is all about the advantage and disadvantage of liquid fuels. Then gaseous fuel. The important gaseous fuels are commercially, such as natural gas, liquefied petroleum gas, coal gas, producer gas, water gas, and refinery gas. Advantage of gaseous fuel. Gaseous fuel can be very easily transported through pipeline. These are clean fuel and produce no smoke and do not leave any residue on combustion. The control of combustion process is best in gaseous fuel. This can be instantaneously ignite and the rate of combustion can be controlled easily by regulating the supply of the gas. Gaseous fuel are miscible with air, so require less excess air than in case of liquid and solid fuel. This makes the operation cost effective. Both oxidizing and reducing flame can be obtained by adjusting the supply of the air during the combustion. Then disadvantage. Gaseous fuel are highly inflammable, therefore need special supervision to avoid fire accidents. They require large space for the storage. So these are the advantage and disadvantage of the gaseous fuels.